Hi, you are welcome to this video. Our today's topic is food enzymes. I know you must have heard something about enzymes. Now recall your knowledge on food components or what are found in food, that is a constituent of food. These food components can be classified into two, that is the major and minor components of food. The major components of food include number one, we have carbohydrates. Number two, we have protein. Number three, lipid. We have water and minerals. However, the minor components includes antinutrients, phytochemicals, pigments, and enzymes, and etc. However, you may see a slight variation in this classification depending on the textbook you are using for studies. You might see a slight variation on the categorization of these major and minor components depending on the textbook you are using for your studies, and I think I'm correct. Enzymes are found or extracted from plants and animal sources, including microorganisms. We all know what are microorganisms. We have microbial enzymes sourced from microorganisms, meaning that meaning that enzymes are organic and biological origin. Now the question here is that what does enzyme does? Enzymes catalyzes biochemical reaction. In other words, they are organic catalysts that speed up a biochemical reaction. Don't forget that they speed up a what? Biochemical reaction. The question here is, do they catalyze an ordinary chemical reaction? Let's see the answer. The answer is no. Enzymes only catalyzes reaction in living system or biological origin, meaning plants or animal sources. I will all know that all food can be either from plant or animal sources. So any reaction involving enzyme, we can call that reaction as a biochemical reaction. So now we can see the difference between a biochemical reaction and ordinary chemical reaction. Now another question here is that, can we survive without food enzymes? Yes or no? No enzymes, no tea. We all know that. No enzymes, no bread. If you don't have enzymes, there will be no bread. No enzymes, no masa. No enzymes, no gurasa. No enzymes, no fufu. And all these are products of enzymes. How about malt, beer, yogurt, cheese, and other foods? Are they also produced with the help of enzymes? Most of food we eat are product of enzymes. So are food enzymes activities always desirable? In the previous, we can see that enzymes are used in the production of tea, bread, yogurt, and bar. The answer is no. Some enzymes activities are not desirable, meaning that they are undesirable. Some of the activities are not good. Can we see an example? One, some food enzymes causes food spoilage. If you can recall, one of the causes of food spoilage is enzymes. That is one of the reasons why we blanch our food. Number 2, we have destruction of vital food components. If you can recall, there are some enzymes that destroy some food component. Example of this is vitamin C. We have an enzyme called ascorbinase which act upon vitamin C and destroy the vitamin C. We have thyminase that destroy vitamin B1, that is a thymine. So from this we can see that enzymes activities or activities of food enzymes can be either desirable or undesirable. They can be either good or bad, and that is one of the important why we should study enzymes. What is a simple definition of general enzymes, including food enzymes, medicinal enzymes, pharmaceutical enzymes, agricultural enzymes, and the rest of enzymes? Enzymes are organic catalysts, as I said initially, that speed up a biochemical reaction by lowering the activation energy, the energy required for actions to be converted into products. So enzymes reduces that energy. Now we can see from the red line the slope go up, unlike the blue. Now the red requires high amount of energy compared to the blue. So the blue is the catalyzed pathway, however the red is uncatalyzed pathway of the reaction to be converted into products. So we can see the action or the effect of enzymes in this reaction. Now, how does enzymes look like and their properties? Now we need to know how do they look. Now, enzymes are biological catalysts. They lower the activation energy required for a chemical reaction to proceed. The speed of a reaction. Enzymes are protein. Enzymes remain unchanged after reaction, therefore they can work again. Enzymes are specific, very highly specific in their action. Enzymes are reversible and can catalyze an action going both ways. Enzymes are denatured by change in temperature and pH.